Welcome guys, this is OPTIMER First. I want to review to you one of the major mistakes most traders do. One of the what mistakes most traders do. Now, you see, whenever you want to trade and open your charts, first and foremost, the first thing you need to understand, the first thing you need to do is to do what to study the market, to understand the market first of all. Understand the market, understand the price action, understand the direction of the market. That is the first thing you need to do. Once you understand the direction of the market, then you are now focus on that particular direction. You focus on that particular direction. But most traders, when they open their charts, they don't need to have a clear view of the direction of the market and they start trading. And the reason why majority of the traders blow the accounts as often. Now you need to understand the markets, you need to understand the state of the market, whether the market is in a range state, is it bullish, is it bearish. You need to understand the market. That is the first thing before you know how to trade. Do you understand? You see, most times I see people trading in a particular chart, they will have a lot of buying, a lot of selling, a lot of buying in a particular pair, in a particular market. Now, that is very dangerous to your account. You don't make profit. Your profit does not depend on number of times you sell or you buy. It does not depend on number of times you hit the buy button or the sell button. No. In a month, you will see a trader making up to 50 trades, up to 20 trades within a month. But at the end of the month, you will see that the trader is in a profit, is in a loss. But you will see another trader making 2 to 3 trades in a full month, and at the end of the month the trader is what? In a massive profit. You see, that is the importance of what? Studying the market, understanding the direction of the market, what is happening in the market, or what the market is saying. You understand? You need to understand the market before you do what? You start trading. It's the market that will tell you whether to buy or to sell or to stay clear. That is what the market will tell you. Do you understand? For instance, assuming I open my chart and I landed here, I open my chart and this is where the market is. Now from here, looking at the market at this particular point, it is clear to me that this is what? A ranging state. Do you understand? This is what? A ranging state of the market. This is what? A ranging state of what? The market. The market is ranging. So whenever I encounter this, whenever I open my chart and I see market in this particular scenario, I don't need to, what I need is to do what? To use my trend line, to do what? To mark out, the support and what? Resistance. Now, if the market is here, I don't need to buy. Do you understand? So I'm only considering selling because this particular point is where it is where the market is being resisted. Do you understand? So I don't need to start looking for where to buy here. I need to wait when the market comes down here and I buy here. Do you understand? So you need to understand the direction of the market. You need to understand the state of the market before you make anything either to buy or to sell. Do you understand? So this is what a ranging state. This is what a ranging state. So in this particular ranging state, what you make use of is what? Resistance and support. Do you understand? You make what? You make use of resistance and what? Support. Now when you see the market breaks, when you see the market breaks one of the line, that means it is now trending. Do you understand? When you see the market breaks one of the either the support or the resistance, it means that the market is now what? Trending. Do you understand? So if you observe here, you see that the market just broke this support here. It broke the line and the starts what? Trending downward. Do you understand? Now in this particular trending, what you need to do is to do what? Consider only selling opportunities. Only what? Selling opportunities. Only what? Selling opportunities where the market, look at this here. So we see that after breaking the resistance here, after breaking this support here, the market starts what? Trading downward. Do you understand? So from here now, from this point where the market broke the support, from this particular point, once you notice that the market has broken the what? Support line, then you will now focus on selling. Do you understand? So that is it. Now here you see that the market also, look at this downtrend. Look at it. After breaking this, let me show you something. After breaking this support, is now downtrend, right? Is now what? Downtrend. Now with this trend line, you notice that from this point, at this point, it broke this. Look at this. It broke this what? Trend line. So once it breaks the trend line, it shows that what is changing direction. So if you look here now, you see that it changed its what? Direction to what? It changed its direction to what? It's upward what? Direction. Do you understand? It changed its position, its direction to upward direction. So that is to tell you that the market has what? Changed. So from here now, what you focus on how to buy. Do you understand? Where to do what? Make your entry. Do you understand? So you see it, the market continue to. So with this trend line, you should not focus on selling, only where to do what? To buy. And with this help of a trend line, you need to make your buy position whenever the price or the candlesticks come close to what? To the trend line. Do you understand? You see it? So you need to understand the market first and foremost before you make a what? Before you make trade. Whenever you open your chart, the first thing is to understand the direction of the market. Do you understand? Once you understand the direction of the market, you are now in a better position to know what to do. Do you understand? So whenever you open your chart, don't just start trading. Study the market, understand the direction before you do what? You start trading. Thank you.